Suneeta Reddy, Managing Director with Apollo Hospital, joins us now. Ms. Reddy, good morning. Thank you for joining us. By when will the new facility will be operational? We are talking about how things are moving up for you in Kolkata. Since it is at a partial construction, how much money is one looking at putting in this facility?
So the building currently houses 225 beds. We paid 105 crores for it. We estimate that by FY25, with the addition of 130 crores, we will have operating 225 beds and then move up to 300 beds in FY26.
Suneeta, this second facility in Kolkata, which you've gone ahead with, talk to us about why exactly are you expanding in the same market? Are you seeing big potential that you're going with the second facility there in your existing market? Over and above the territories, the additional territories which you may have marked about?
We've understood the micro market very well, which is Calcutta. And our occupancy in the current facility is 80%. So if you combine the fact that the demand for beds is currently existing and that the Apollo brand is very strong, we do believe that this expansion is warranted. Add to that the cost of this acquisition is reasonable. For 235 crores, we are getting a 225 bed facility. So in terms of cost per bed, it's only 1 crore per bed. So I think it'll meet our IRR hurdle rate of 20% in the 5th year.
Hi, Mr. Reddy. This is Anisha also joining in the conversation. Talk to us about what's the current trend with respect to the occupancy level or the average revenue per operating bed. How are the latest key metrics trending?
So currently, we are at a very healthy occupancy. I think we've touched about 68% occupancy. Going forward, yes, the festive season is there, but we will continue to grow the occupancy as we've added new doctors into the system, and we believe that that with this we will be able to maintain current occupancy levels.
What you understand is that soon there could be lowering of GST on health insurance premium for seniors. With the decision pending in the next GST Council meeting, how do you see this move could help you?
Yes, so currently 40% of our payer mix is from insurance, and this has grown by 35%. So what this will do is to give more people access into corporate hospitals like ours. So we have a very healthy payer mix of 40% retail and 40% insurance. And we believe that this will continue to grow, and it will be reflected in strong RPOBs. So in terms of RPOBs, we are at 60,000. And on a blended, we're at 53. So in Tier 1, we're at 60,000 without doctor's fees. So we do have an RPOB of 70,000 in metro Tier 1 cities. So clearly, RPOB is growing. It'll grow at about 5%, depending on case mix.
Mr. Reddy, we also understand that in the diagnostic space, companies have taken certain price hikes. In fact, just a while back, a couple of such firms were there on our show, clearly saying that pricing seems to be bottoming out in the diagnostic space. Have you also done the same? Would you shed some light? Is the price competition kind of coming to an end there?
Yes, so there are price hikes in the diagnostic space. For this exclusive menu of tests that we're now going to offer, which is a high-end clinical work, we've set up 2 laboratories that will do this. There will be a 20% increase in the cost of these tests.
Ma'am, and also can you tell us how is your private label expected to grow going forward, especially with respect to the pharmacy business? What kind of scale-up can we expect?
Yes, so currently it's an 18%. We believe it will touch 20%. And clearly this is driven by both FMCG products as well as generic medicines, OTC drugs.
Okay, thanks Ms. Reddy for joining us. So that was the latest coming in from the management of Apollo Hospitals. For now, the trends are on the positive side, whether you're looking at occupancy, and of course triggers like health insurance GST reduction is something that could augur well.